Hi lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. Trust you guys are sound and healthy. See what I created for my kids. If you are tired of cooking indomie for your kids, or as the price of the indomie has increased, just try this recipe and you will love it. Okay, so in the boiling water I just added half cup of rice. I wash it to remove every dust and dirt, and I parboiled it to remove the starch. So I've added it in the boiling water again to cook till it's soft. Okay, so the water is about dry now. Now added the carrot. I washed the carrot and peeled the back. Okay, I sliced it and I have added it. Now the rice has dried. Everything is well cooked, both the rice and carrots. I will now keep it aside. Over to the frying pan, I just added some extra virgin olive oil, and I've added some diced onion, sauteed it, and then go ahead to add the chopped or diced tomatoes. Okay, I'll stir for 40 seconds and then go ahead to add the sliced bell peppers. Okay, shout out to my newest followers. Welcome to my page. Have a warm hug. Please click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Like, comment, and share to your family and friends. And to my returning followers, you guys are amazing. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the like, share, and comment. If this is the first time of seeing my video or coming across my page, thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Please click on the follow and like button, comment, and share to your family and friends. Okay, thank you. So at this moment I have added the whisk egg. I also added a pinch of salt and crayfish inside it. Okay, so I will stir till the egg is well cooked and then add canned fish to it. Okay, then proceed to add cooked rice and carrots. Guys, you can follow me on my YouTube channel. It's also Annie's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Please subscribe. Subscription is free, and then click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also like, comment, and share to your family and friends. Okay, then my Instagram is Annie's_kitchen_ and lifestyle. TikTok is Annie's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Please follow me on those platforms. Okay, thank you so much guys. So at this moment our vegetable rice is getting all ready. Guys, please, you can go ahead and add pepper. I didn't add pepper because my kids doesn't add they don't eat pepper, please. So go ahead and add pepper to it. I also enjoy the rice with them. So this is a fast lunch you can prepare for yourself and kids. Okay, thank you for watching till this moment. I love you guys. Bye.